Lumber Party List Representative Claudine Bautista denied allegations that during the pandemic, she has been ignoring the public transport drivers and the commuters she represents. During the pandemic, Bautista said her party list group was able to help vaccinate 18,000 PUV drivers. They were also able to provide assistance through DSWD, Dole Tupad, and DOH all around the country. Bautista also said her group has distributed more than 1.1 million grocery packs, PPEs, free insurance policies, and relief assistance to affected PUV drivers and commuters. She has also donated money from her personal funds. Moving forward, Bautista said she wants to focus on pressing matters, the pandemic, and serving better her constituents.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.